welcome to our beautiful home.
It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for having me. This is your 20th year here in Australia. It's pretty incredible that you've marked the 20th year of being here, building this stunning dream home.
We landed here in 2005 and our first house we built in 2008. So in a short 3 years, we were able to secure the land and build the house. Then we bought another house, which was an investment property. And 2023 is when we purchased the land, the old house where we had all our friends together. We bought the land at the same time, we started the construction. So the house and the families we had in our old house, 15 years we lived together, and now starting again with the younger kids and all over again with the new house. So it's definitely an incredible story for us personally.
The facade was so unique. It's so beautiful. It's not like any I've seen in any of the other Carlisle displays. Can you tell me a bit about this facade?
It was a new facade at the time, brand new. And we were in love with this facade, the triangle look, the gable kind of roof, plus the balcony, which was the requirement of this estate. So definitely for us, it is really a proud thing for us.
I love this open plan space, Neelam.
Yeah, it's my favorite too.
Because the orientation of this home.
Yeah, the east facing, and all our living area is always on the north. So this is the best part. And even at the evening time, the west facing is on the family area. So we get always the sunlight.
What was important to you when you built?
For us, the family area and the kitchen space, that was the main important thing for me especially. That's where we spend most of the time of the day.
I understand that is why you spent most of the upgrades in the kitchen?
In the kitchen, yes.
And so what did you choose to upgrade?
So the profile cabinets, that's a major one. We have the inbuilt bin installed, also the 2 cooktops and the walk-in pantry. That's a major one.
How did you prepare?
For major thing, I would say, because we never get to have that chance to go multiple display houses to go and choose and see what they have. The virtual tour online, that was the best thing. When you click on the particular thing which you like, they actually give you the idea, the name and the product name and how you can select. So that was the best thing we found out from the virtual tour.
I understand that you had a bit of a rough start to this build. Can you tell me a bit about that?
So our first choice of builder was Porter Davis Homes. We've been to all of the display house to select the floor plan we're looking, the material we're looking, the color combination we're looking. But just before our site about to start, we got a news saying the builder is liquidated. No words to say that what's going to be happen next, because we've been waiting for this build to start. Kids were exciting to move into this new house, but now we had no idea that how long it's going to be from these steps onwards. So it was a terrible moment for us as a family. But when we went to see the Carlisle sales consultant at the inside where the display of this house was there, the guy Rob, he told us that, Jignesh, we have 1 spot available. We can lock you in all those dates. So it means you have all your color appointments, electrical appointments will be placed in the next 3 months, and then your build can start immediately after that. We said yes, and straight away everything was booked for us. This is the house we're gonna build with Carlisle Homes. We have heard the good stories that no, the houses are finishing faster, quality is good. We believe that whatever happened for a reason, so
probably that's the best thing we ever done.
Though we have started late, we were kind of finished on par with other, or maybe faster than other as well. So build itself is approximately 7 months from start to finish. Now I can see that we're living in a beautiful house and we got what we are actually looking for initially.
Thank you so much again for having me.
Thank you for coming.
And thank you, Jignesh. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.